Everyone needs a shelf, but there are so many different kinds. Why not try Urus, a shelf that does it all? Urus is perfect for any setting throughout the house, in any room. Urus is constructed from upcycled oak pallet wood and aluminum welding scrap. Pallet wood makes up 6% of landfill waste and only 17% is recycled. Aluminum fills only 1.3% of landfills, since over 50% of it is recycled. We use both old and new aluminum. The shelves can be rearranged to hold taller objects or hang items, and when hung loop side down, there are more hanging options. Shipped and sold in the same box, Urus arrives ready for an easy assembly. Urus can add to any environment, and will be perfectly at home in yours.